Are you over 50 and dealing with nagging aches, stiffness, or just feeling more tired than you used to? It might not just be age, it could be chronic inflammation. This silent troublemaker is linked to serious issues like arthritis, heart disease, and even that constant fatigue. But here's the good news. Your diet can be your most powerful ally in fighting back. Today, we're diving into the top 7 anti-inflammatory foods that can make a real difference in your health and vitality. Let's start with a classic, leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and collard greens. They are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that actively combat inflammation. Try adding a handful to your morning smoothie or a big salad for lunch. It's an easy and delicious way to get started. Next up, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are famous for their potent anti-inflammatory effects. Aim for at least 2 servings a week. Grilling or baking them helps preserve these precious oils. Your joints will thank you. Number 3 is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These little gems are loaded with antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant color and incredible inflammation-fighting power. They're perfect as a snack, on top of yogurt or blended into a healthy dessert. Oh, don't forget nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are fantastic sources of healthy fats and fiber that help reduce inflammation markers in the body. A small handful makes a great afternoon snack to keep you energized and pain-free. Let's spice things up with turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, a compound with amazing anti-inflammatory properties. It's often compared to some anti-inflammatory drugs, but without the side effects. Add it to curries, soups, or even a glass of warm milk for a soothing golden latte. Another kitchen staple is olive oil, specifically extra virgin olive oil. It's rich in oleocanthal, an antioxidant that works similarly to ibuprofen. Drizzle it over your salads or use it for light cooking to get the maximum benefit. Finally, let's talk about tomatoes. They are a fantastic source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps quell inflammation, especially when cooked. A warm tomato soup or a delicious pasta sauce isn't just comfort food, it's medicine for your body. Incorporating these 7 foods into your diet can be a game changer for your well-being, helping you feel younger, more energetic, and free from chronic pain. It's all about making small, consistent changes that add up to a huge impact. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on living your best, healthiest life after 50. See you in the next video.